As you think back over the last 6 months or so, what have been some of the most surprising challenges that you faced during the pandemic?
There's a couple things that come to mind, and the primary item is trying to explain to our employees why we are an essential business in all facets of what we do. Many of our products provide support for the life-saving industries, such as the pharmaceuticals. We make products for the ventilators. So tying that to our communications was really critical.
Ours are kind of the opposite, where we really adapted quickly to work from home, and many of our employees already were working from home, so it was a pretty smooth transition. But it went from working from home to working all the time. So we've experienced a lot of work fatigue, not taking the breaks. There's Zoom fatigue. You're on calls all day long, camera ready. When do you eat? When do you have a slight break has been tough.
What are you both doing to ensure your employees are safe, well, and taking care of themselves?
Well, our CEO, Safra Katz, is helping us kick off a Recharge campaign. It kicks off actually next week. And I don't think this is unlike any other company, but we noticed that our medical spend basically went to zero. Our mental health spend has increased, and we actually increased the free benefits there. We're asking you to go to your annual appointment. Don't delay those, as well as take your vacation and enjoy it. Even if you can't go anywhere, take a real vacation day on that, whether it's a Friday or the whole week, and have some things planned with the family.
Our healthcare spend was down artificially low, but we were watching the mental health issues, and we were watching our employee assistance program. The numbers ticked up, 3 times, 4 times the norm on things such as mental health, spousal issues, anxiety. And so we did some very targeted and intentional programs that we pushed out to our employees to help in that regard.
Last question, and this one is around, of course, technology and what lessons we have from COVID that are either impacting our digital strategy, maybe resequencing our digital strategy, or changing it altogether.
We were already under the microscope of an outside activist before this whole process started. So we had some things being cultivated. But definitely we have enhanced our focus, intentionally putting capital dollars toward automation across our facilities. And that's in everything from robotics in our factories to do the really high precision work, to installing the bots in our daily workflows that we have, and getting our resources away from all of the what I call transactional sort of work, and get them into the strategic side of what we need to be doing.
Great, thank you. And Joyce?
Well, we saw where we had gaps, exactly to your point, where we had in some places still wet signatures and people had to come in and sign things, and we thought we were further along in some of these areas, eliminating the transactional work and more strategic work. So it was an opportunity for us to lift and shift in that area and bring in certain regions that we thought were further along into service centers.
And I think our big takeaway today is, one, how important the CHRO job is. So I'd like to thank both of you for your time, and really for being great examples of sharing the challenges and wonderful solutions that you've put in place for your organizations in response to the board, the CEO, the workforce, the community. So I thank you for sharing those with us and really having stories that align with our topic about being resilient together.